Lights they start to flicker. Rush hour gone, feeling slicker. Quiet streets as we roam, finding peace as we head home. Windows down, feel the breeze. Night unfolds so at ease. Skies above, soft whispered tones. Soul unwinds, no more clones. Switching keys, life's afloat. Workday's done, let it go. Melodies taking flight. Cruise control into the night. Every mile closer now. Stress fades away somehow. Neon signs casting glow. Silent echoes as we go. Radio plays that sweet tune. Stars above meet the moon. Thoughts drift like a feather. Another day gone for Evelyn. Switching